Hello to everyone. Today is our English lesson number 19 and the date is Tuesday, May 11, no 12th, sorry, the year is 2020 and the topics that we are going to study for today are spelling and vocabulary on page 2. We are going to write 3 times the words from the number 7 to number 12, okay? After that, we are going to do a letter dictation. Okay, you have the activity in your house. I'm going to show you which one, and you will have to paste it on your notebook. And well, this letter dictation, you only have to complete the vowels, okay? After that, we are going to do some activities in grammar. There is first of all, and later we are going to work with the right preposition, okay, adding in, on, or at according to each image. And finally, we are going to label our verbs and we are going to complete our table chart, okay? So pay attention that all these exercises are in your notebook, okay? Except the page 2 that is in your contract. So that is all for today. So let's get started then. Okay, now we are in the spelling and vocabulary section. What we have to do here is to write 3 times a word of the vocabulary that you can find on page number 2. And I'm going to start by writing the word bed, okay, bed. I'm going to write only 2 columns, okay. In the third column, well, you will have to do it by yourself at home, okay. The second word is sofa. The number 3 is chair. Okay. Number 4 we have in. Next is on. These are prepositions and the last one is under. Okay. So if you don't remember very well the meaning of these words, we are going to practice them at the end of this activity. Okay. Again, I'm going to write bed. Okay. Next, we write sofa. Okay. The next word is chair. Okay. Don't forget that you have to write your date. Okay. You need to write your date and the numbers, okay, from 1 to 7 in this case, in your notebook, no, in your contract, sorry, and we write on, and finally, we write under, okay? Okay, that's it. We have bed, sofa, chair, in, on, and under, okay? Bed means a piece of furniture where you sleep, okay? Bed. Sofa is another piece of furniture that we use to sit down, and most of the times it is a comfortable seat, okay? Next we have chair, okay? Chair is a place where we can sit when we are going to have lunch, okay, at the table. Next we have in. In means inside a container, okay, or surrounded by something, in. On means something that is in a position above something else, okay? And under, something that is at a lower level, okay? Something that is at the lowest part. Okay, so don't forget to complete the third column. And now we are going to go to this activity, the second one. Okay, you have this activity in among your activities that you picked up from the school. So please take out this activity and I'm going to dictate to you a few letters, okay? And with the letters that I'm going to spell to you, you will have to complete a word, okay? So let me find this activity in my notebook, okay? Here we are. Okay, the first one is the number one, sorry. The first letter that you need to write is H. It's a consonant, H. The next one, E. E. The next one, A. And the last one, R. R. Okay? Okay, in the second case, the first letter that I have to write is S. S. The second one, O. O. The third line is N. N. The fourth line is G. G. In the number 3, the first line is C. C. The second line is H. H. In the third line, we write A. A. In the fourth line, we write I. I. And in the last line, we write R. R. Okay, and finally, let's go with the last word. In the first line, we add U. U. The second, N. N. In the third line, D. D. In the fourth line, E. E. And finally, the last one, R. R. Okay? Don't forget that if you haven't finished yet, don't worry, you can pause the video while you finish to write all the words, all the letters, and you can continue with this activity. Okay, and finally, in the spelling section, we have 4 words that are hidden. Okay, what we have to do is to find which vowels are hidden on each image, on each letter. Okay, for example, I'm going to give you a clue. This one, the first one, we need to pay attention to the image, and it says closet. Closet. Okay, then in this case, I'm going to write the first 2, this one, and I'm going to write this one that is family. Okay, and in the comments you will have to write down these 2. Okay, a clue is that this is a country, okay, an Asian country, and this is a piece of furniture that I use to sleep. Okay, with this activity, I'm going to I'm going to verify that you were with me today. Okay, so don't forget to do it and write your comments. Okay, guys, I was thinking that we are going to answer this spelling activity at this moment because it's very important for me that you check if you already wrote each letter in the right way and you finally found the word that is hiding here. Okay, so I'm going to write them down and you will have to write a thick or cross out if you make a mistake. The first case we have here, the word is here, okay? I said H, E, A, R, okay? These are the letters here. In the second case, I said S, O, N, G. okay, and we have song. In the third case, I said C H A I R, okay, and we have chair. And in the last case, we said no, sorry, the word is under, okay? So we need the letter U, N, D, E, and finally R, okay? And here we have our four words. Here, sung, chair, under, okay? I need that you compare this result with yours, okay? If you made a mistake, please try to correct it. Okay, now, well, this is the activity that I already left for homework. You will have to complete in your house these two words, okay? There are some vowels or consonants that are here hidden, and you will have to find them, okay? And tell me in the comments which ones are they, okay? You know something, guys? I have decided to record this video in two parts. This was the first one, and now I'm going to explain to you the verbs in the second part. So watch it, please.